Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude to extract data from scanned documents, helping you turn printed paperwork, scanned PDFs, and document images into useful, searchable information. Scanned documents can be difficult to work with because the text isn't always stored in a format that can be easily copied or searched. Instead, the document is often just an image of a page. Claude can help analyze these scans and extract important information, making it much easier to work with invoices, receipts, forms, reports, contracts, and other paperwork. To get started, open Claude and create a new chat. Locate the attachment or upload button near the message box and select the scanned document you want to analyze. This may be a scanned PDF, a photo of a document, or an image file containing printed text. After the upload is complete, give Claude a clear instruction about what information you want to extract. While Claude can analyze an entire document, you'll often get better results when you specify exactly what you're looking for. This helps Claude focus on the most important parts of the document, rather than trying to process everything at once. If you're working with a multi-page scanned PDF, allow the file to finish processing before asking questions. Once the document is ready, start with a general extraction request, and then move to more specific questions if necessary. Document quality plays a major role in extraction accuracy. Clear scans with sharp text, good lighting, and proper alignment usually produce the best results. If the document is blurry, tilted, partially cut off, or contains shadows, Claude may have difficulty reading certain sections correctly. When possible, use high-resolution scans rather than low-quality photos. If you're scanning documents yourself, make sure all pages are fully visible and that important text isn't cropped near the edges. For large documents, it's often better to focus on specific sections. Instead of requesting every piece of information at once, ask Claude to extract one category of data at a time. This approach often leads to more accurate and organized results. You can also ask Claude to structure the extracted information into lists, tables, summaries, or categorized sections. Organizing the data makes it easier to review and use later, especially when dealing with large amounts of information. If Claude misses information or extracts something incorrectly, ask follow-up questions and direct it to re-examine a specific section of the document. Sometimes narrowing the focus improves recognition and accuracy. It's also helpful to verify important details against the original document. While Claude can significantly reduce manual work, scanned documents with poor image quality, unusual fonts, handwritten notes, or complex layouts may occasionally lead to errors. For the best results, upload clear scans, provide specific extraction instructions, review the output carefully, and use follow-up questions to refine the results. This workflow can save a tremendous amount of time compared to manually reading and copying information from scanned paperwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.